We got about a foot of snow last night. Sunny out now, but it's also late in the afternoon. If you look in the coop, there are no tracks. Sorry, rather in the run. There are no tracks because no birds have ventured into the snow. Some people say that their ducks will basically swim through the snow. Mine don't. They are happy to hide anywhere that there's a roof. Hello, beautiful chickens. Hi. Your foot cold? You should go in the coop. I put some hay out here for them this morning. I think I'll add some more. Hi, guys. What's up? You don't want to come out here and enjoy some snow? They're not interested. Hi, beauties. You okay under here? Oh, please don't move on my account. These two little white leghorns. The first one is about, oh, she might be 3 now. And then the other one's a baby from last spring. Hello, Sapphire Gem. And that's Poppy over there. Then the silver-laced rooster. And the olive egger rooster. Hello. We'll follow the rooster. I came out here this morning to give them some water and open the door, but it seems like nobody has bothered even coming out the open door. Hi. Oh my goodness. That's their water since this morning. Again, the battles in the winter with keeping the water decent enough for them to drink. When I put them in for the night, I will bring more water for them. Alright, so underneath the coop, this isn't going to show up very well, but there are a couple of ducks hiding under there. They have the entire size of the chicken house to go under. This guy came over there. Inside this little structure, we have... Oh, hi. You okay? That chicken looks like his comb is bloody. I'm gonna have to catch him and see what's up. Sometimes they get frostbite, or if ice like freezes on their head. Things like that can happen. I'm gonna check you out, buddy. Either that or because they didn't spread out today, maybe he and another rooster had a little fight. Was it you? Oh, hi. What are you doing over there? Hello. There's Blue. I hear Punky, but I don't see him. I see Daisy's behind. Hi. Oh. We have a couple of geese out here. Some hens in the hen house. So I guess this is a preview of what to expect for the winter. I remember last year sometimes I would like shovel a path for them so that they could come out and at least sort of run around in a and I don't know, I guess track sort of a thing. So maybe I'll do that again. Aww. Poor Goose, she does not look happy. Come on, honey. Do you fit under there? Oh my goodness, she does, I guess. Wow. Wow, there are 2 geese under the hen house. I did not realize that was a thing. Okay. Oh, hi, Daisy. There you are. So they all kind of snuggle up under there. I guess that's nice for them. I will be looking into whatever the issue is with this little guy over here. It's actually good he's in this, so I can catch him without too much of a problem. And now I'm thinking I need to probably get some roofing and cover this whole coop so that everybody's happier when it snows. Until next time.